How to use Themekit app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use your Themekit app on your device. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to search for Themekit app and you have to install this app on your mobile phone. After the installation process has been complete, then you have to open up your app on your mobile device. Then go for open. So after opening your theme app icon, then you have to select your language here. And on the upper right, there is a right option. Go for that. And here you have to click on next and go for start, and you have to tell them that what you are interested in. Go for start, and then so here you have login to your Themekit app. After that, how to use the Themekit app. So to use the Themekit app, you have to click on one theme will require to see you on it. Then you have to explore this and go for download option, and you have to install it. So here you can see the three option. You can get it now by watching an ad, and you also can get it now by Queen, and there is also a premium which has unlimited theme. So actually I don't have premium on my account. I'm going for the get by Queen, and so here you can apply it on your home screen, lock screen, or both screen. Here you can see that the theme has been applied to my home screen. So that's the process how to use Themekit app on your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.